Dubai Expo 2020 is a world expo that showcases the imagination, innovation, and inventiveness of various countries. It is not only a festivity and carnival of innovations, but also it will encourage and provoke people globally to frame and modify their outlook towards the future in a very optimistic and effective manner. Dubai 2020 Expo was scheduled to be held from October 20, 2020. But due to the novel COVID-19 pandemic, it was postponed to October 2021. World Expo was first held in 1851. After that it is held on every 5 years. The previous expo was held in Milan, Italy in 2015, and next, it will be scheduled to be in Osaka, Japan in 2025. The World Expos are held to benefit and assist the tourism sector, accelerating the development of innovative and resourceful business and enriching or expanding the nation's international stature and significance. So in October 20, 2021 Dubai the expo is going to be clenched but will be named as Dubai Expo 2020 as it has its value. The organizers still have kept the name unchanged to Dubai Expo 2020 for branding and marketing purposes. Goal and objectives of the Dubai Expo 2020. Dubai Expo 2020 is based on the principle and theme of connecting minds, creating a future, and according to sub-themes, which consist of opportunity, mobility, and sustainability. The themes will enable and furnish the arena of rationing ingenious ideas and constructing alliances and federation among nations worldwide. Dubai Expo 2020 will be held on a 438-hectare area around 1,038 hectares placed between the cities of Dubai and Abu Dhabi, sharing Dubai's southern border with Abu Dhabi. Dubai Expo and its configuration or layout are designed by American firm Hawk and established around a central plaza, entitled Al Wazal, that is encircled by 3 large thematic regions. Individually each one is committed to its one of the sub-themes of Expo 2020: opportunity, mobility and sustainability. Participants in the Dubai Expo 2020, 192 countries will partake in Dubai Expo 2020. The Opportunity Arbor is designed by Aji Architects, Mobility by Foster Partners, and Sustainability by Grimshaw Architects. There are many arbors and pavilions in this expo, which comprises of Palestine Pavilion, Russian Pavilion, Lithuania Pavilion, Saudi and UAE Pavilion. Lithuania Pavilion, called Openarium, will be in the sustainability site and modeled by MBBA UKAS. Russian Arbor is designed to be 27 meters tall and spread in more than 4,500 square meters. It is planned and intended by TCHOBAN Speech and Simpatica Entertainment. Overseeing and organizing international participant meetings, Dubai Expo is organized and hosted by Reem Al Hashimi. Dubai Expo mascots are Salama, Rashid, Latifa, Alif, Terra, and Opti. The Emirates Tourism and Hospitality divisions will face current and different challenges and opportunities in hosting the Dubai Expo. Najib Mohammad Salah, the Chief of Planning and Intending of R&D Commission of Dubai Municipality, emphasized on low, medium and rapid. It specifically emphasized on medium mode. The forthcoming Expo 2020 will be operated by the most substantial and premium hotels. Benjamin Moore Middle East is concentrated on the UAE's luxury hospitality segment. They reduce their expenditure and maintenance costs by helping the hotels to upgrade the paints and coatings, and also by using durable products. Sustainability. Following the sustainability region, there is a sustainability arbor which is called the Hammer House, which assesses and analyzes the coral reefs, the main stage which has seating arrangements of 300, and there also a walkthrough to Brazil's National Pavilion, the waterfall, enter Singapore's rainforest, Germany's Wear Cutting-Edge Devices, the Netherlands Pavilion, which constitutes of a miniature ORLD trip and excursion of Dubai site. Tourists and travelers would board colorful branded coaches of Expo 2020 at various pickup points across the campus. The bus trip includes the history of the introduction of World Expos. At sites and excavations at the visitor center, visitors would have recreations and go for snacks and other activities, and they can also take you on a trip to the site and its splendid or marvelous architecture. Other facilities. The expo has various facilities like site emergency arrangements and interpretations that include an isolation room, emergency care room, ambulances, and chopper assistance. The emergency medical center is well equipped and provided with sudden, abrupt care and stabilization in the great golden hour. Golden hour is a boon for patients in which first 60 minutes is most beneficial to treat them after their trauma or suffering. Other aspects. In Dubai 2020 Expo, Israelis are allowed to compel their pavilion and arbors at the exhibition, and would even travel the country afterward. As in November 2019, the UAE permitted Israeli passport holders to enter their nation during Expo 2020. Afterward, UAE and Israel agreed to mutual their course and bumpy relationships in November 2019 and to abrogate their previous agreement. Initiatives are taken by UAE governments. Dubai introduced the largest solar power project, that is all to be commenced and begin by Expo 2020. The initiative, Dubai Happiness Agenda, has numerous programs under 4 themes, that to be summed of an ample amount of projects to be set in the city with a perspective to compel the city's happiest city. Dubai Expo and administration have also been promoting investments in various sectors, such as economic growth, real estate, environmental awareness, and public affairs, etc. Dubai Expo 2020 will compose and organize bus trips around the nation with waste partner Dulsco to raise perception and knowledge about smart recycling. Dubai Expo 2020 also would conduct a raise in the falling GDP as predicted by IMF or International Monetary Fund. Dubai arranged a Dubai Expo to strengthen and enhance strong relations with its neighboring countries and other countries. All nations will also showcase their cultural heritage, rich cultures, fabulous and enormous technological aspects in this biggest global platform of innovations, creations, and inventions. All you need to know about ticket prices in Dubai Expo 2020. The ordinary ticket or coupon costs for one day are 120 United Arab Emirates dirhams, while the 3-day tickets are 360 United Arab Emirates dirhams, or it is given a discount of 260 United Arab Emirates dirhams. There is a rebate of 50% for students of any age, and also for the children and youth of 6 to 17. The expo gives unrestricted access to children up to 5 years and adults to 65 years or above. Free entry is enabled to differently abled persons, and their attendees or caregivers can also access or get entry with them at half of the ticket price. Many steps and measures like ramp, safety sliders, lifts are taken for differently abled persons or individuals by which they can enjoy without any obligations. It is open to everyone and everybody. Details about visitors. The perfect route for travelers and visitors is to get to the expo zone through the Dubai Metro. Presently the Dubai Metro line is being expanded and broadened to connect and attach the expo region. This expansion is referred to as Route 2020. This route will relate and attach to the Dubai Metro Red Line or chain. Besides this Expo 2020, the region metro station is set to be the hugest and massive metro station. Not only this, but it will be the most eco-friendly station in the Dubai Metro network, enabling dealing and monitoring with more than 46,000 passengers at a period. Constructed at the periphery, which is easily accessible for cars. How Dubai got the chance of hosting the Dubai 2020 Expo? Dubai was required to submit a bid to host the global expo. Dubai's astonishing infrastructure was highlighted in the Expo 2020 board. Dubai's dwellers and inhabitants' commitments, allegiances, and royalties made Dubai a happy place to live in. These qualities not only leads to winning the bid but also helped pleased board members. Fortunately, Dubai win 116 out of 164 polls. Sheikh Mohammed was so enthralled that he induced fireworks in Burj Khalifa and published a holiday for educational institutions. Surprises for visitors. Dubai Expo comprises solar trees and energy-saving elevators. Not only these many, but also there are many ample surprises for people and visitors. They include several amazing features that consist of the plaza is encased by a dome, which will assist as 360-degree screencasting and projecting a sequel of images both inside and outside at night. The inner pavilion is filled with stunning characteristics and features like a fountain, parks and waterfall, etc. It's no requirement to feel stale and worry about the Colosseum because summer pathway opened at the top. UAE has its specialized belvedere or arbor constructed in an outline of the Falcon. Similarly, several participating nations possess their arena to showcases their amazing innovations, creations, inventions, etc. Facts for visitors. A decent part of Expo areas and regions will persist even after the official ending of the Dubai Expo. As the UAE Arbor theme, the Falcon will persistently intact and unaltered as it was during the Expo. The Plaza Dome will abruptly evolve into a lush green garden within its sphere. Sustainability Arbor will be modified into children comprehending and a scientific hub for research. Above all of these, the district area businesses will convert and transform into a community hub, to compelling it as a welcome area for visitors and travelers globally. Dubai is a precise and exact city to host Dubai 2020 Expo, as it not merely remake desert into a living city but also a trendsetter and torchbearer for human effort and endeavor. It not only creates the platform for innovations, creations and inventions, but also it will achieve the goal of Dubai Expo for which the world is longing for, and they are opportunity, mobility and stability. The arrangement at Dubai Expo. Amazing and stunning arrangements are planned to have occurred at the Dubai Expo. From great music to great food, lifestyle sectors, business hub, and of course the sustainable setup which has no other alternatives. It has several educational programs and agendas like Expo education programs, Expo student programs, to frame and nurture young minds, which is a great initiative in itself. Dubai Expo states its motive, that greater things can happen when we put the world together, and yes, it is a huge target to be achieved and hope for the best. And let us fulfill its motto, together we share, together we care.